Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to add channel to Firestick. Let's go. Tap on Live TV button. Options. Add channels. Choose and add live TV source. After installing the app, go to Settings. Live TV. Sync sources. Choose your source. Sync. After that, all the source channels will be available on Live TV. That's it. Now you know how to add channel to Firestick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.